We're gonna unbox this. This is my Black Friday order, my November order. Oh my goodness! I'm so excited. Okay. Tell them what it is. Strawberries. I think I got a couple of. Oh yeah, I got 2 strawberries. Oh yum.
Oh, yum.
Yeah. What else?
Yeah.
Beef slices.
Pineapple.
They're not pineapples, honey. They are pears. Oh boy. These are Snackies confetti cake bites. Oh boy. Lots of sugar. Not keto. But they look really good. More peas. What else? Ooh. Blueberry yogurt bites. This kid really likes the pomegranate ones. Or these are less sweet, I believe. I'll have to check. They're the same. They have the same sugar. Raspberries. Can you say raspberries? No, wait. We gotta show the camera. Carrot slices. Dices. Carrot dices. Kale. Okay, this next one is so not for me because I hate these, but this one likes them and my hubby likes them and my dad. Wait, we didn't show the camera. Mushrooms. This one's for me. Tomatoes. That's it. That was my Black Friday order. So the idea is that you don't let your toddler play with a knife. Good tip for today, right?
Mine has some.
You have some. What are we going to open? Let's open something right now. Wait.
No.
You know what? We're going to open the strawberries. Now the whole ones were discontinued, but they still have the slices.
Mine has some. Mine has some.
Watch this. Did you hear that? Whoa. Do it. You're too close. Step back. Say bye.
Bye.
Good job. This is Heart Mom for Thrive Life. Thanks for watching.